Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'll be doing a fun video for you guys today. Like I said in my earlier video, I'll be doing a 5-minute makeup challenge, and I've seen quite a lot of makeup challenge here in YouTube, but recently I've seen like a 10-minute makeup video makeup challenge, but I think 10-minute makeup challenge wouldn't be that challenging for me, because I think I've done my makeup in between like 10 to 15 minutes before when I'm in the rush. So I thought maybe to make it a little bit of challenging, I thought to go with a 5-minute makeup challenge. And the most challenging part for me today would be putting on some lashes, because I've seen people doing their makeup in like 5 minutes. Like, it seems pretty good. So I'll try my best to make it possible, or make it look a bit decent enough. And yeah, so I'll be putting on my timer in my mobile, and that would be for 5 minutes. So it's right there, it says 5 minutes. I'm a bit nervous, but let's do this, okay? So I'm just gonna start my timer right now. Woo! Let's go! Oh my god. This foundation is really good. This is the Rihanna Fenty one. Oh my god, why am I even speaking? Dabbing the shit out of my face right now. There you go. And that's pretty much done. I'm gonna go in with my bronzer there to give it a little bit of color to my face so that I don't look dead. Oh my god, it's not easy as it seems. Right, back to the highlighter game. I know that I can trust this highlighter, so I was ready. My mind was set that I was going to use this highlighter. Might talk about this highlighter in my next video. So next, moving on to blush. And I'm gonna go in with my... Oh my god, what time is it? Oh, that's not bad. Still about 3 minutes left. I know probably you guys should be like, girl, what are you doing spending your time on eyebrow? I know it's not going to be perfect, but I don't want to look like bald in my face. So that's probably done. What time is it? Got 2 minutes 14 seconds. So what next? I'm just gonna put on some glue in my eyelash quickly, so that I have time for them to dry out, and then I'm just gonna move on to my lips. So lips. my god, it's all my teeth now. Can you see that? What time is it? God, 49 seconds. I'm just gonna quickly put on some eyeshadow. Just to give a little bit of color in my eyes there. And then I'm just gonna go in with my eyelashes quickly. Come on, what time is it? Holy shit. Okay, that was a fail. That was a fail. Oh my god. Let me just quickly fix my eyelash there. Okay, there you go. What the hell is hanging there? Okay, never mind. What do you guys think? Oh my god. That was a bit rushed, but I think I can go out looking like this. I'm pretty sure I can go out looking like this, like maybe like a day-to-day kind of look, you know, when you are trying to run errands or something like that. But let me look that closely. My god, that foundation, wow, it's really good. Well, I don't know about my lips on this side. It's a bit missing out color in that. Other than that, ooh, that pop of color in the eye. Look at her lens. Other than that, I think it looks quite decent enough. I can go out with this look, like I said, while running errands or something like that. And I'm not bad with the eyebrows as well, isn't it? What do you guys think? Just let me know in the comment down below, okay? So I would like to sign off for now, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, even though it might be quite short compared to my previous video. So I'll be coming up with a new look next time, maybe something like a creative kind of makeup. I have quite a few things in my head that I wanted to do. Yeah, so that should be all for now. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next video. Love you. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to... Hi guys, welcome... Oh my god, for this... I can't believe I'm doing this again.